Few of you also mention that only rich people can be in Scientology. Well, that is false because we have all kinds of people taking and studying courses inside the Church of Scientology. You can start with a free course like online, which is at the volunteerministers.org. You don't have to have money to take the courses there. There's about like more than 10, I think. I haven't counted. But there are free courses that you can take. When you go inside the Church of Scientology, there is also a free personality test. The free personality test, you can find out your weakness. All of us have weakness. I have my own weakness before, but now those weaknesses are becoming less and less and less. And so life becomes better. An example of a weakness would be my nervousness in talking in front of people. That's a weakness. Well, because of Dianetics auditing, I am no longer nervous when I speak in front of a group. So anyone can go and take courses inside the Church of Scientology. Let me know when you're ready.